Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I have another unboxing that I want to do, but really it's going to be a part of a series. So y'all are going to see the series on Brahmin. A couple of y'all, and actually over time, one of my most requested videos that I get that y'all asked me to do is could I give an update or give a I just had itches on either side of my mouth at the same time. Did you see that? I wonder what that means. Okay, I just did another one so you'll see me. I'm in the same outfit I was in my Mackenzie Childs unboxing. And just for those who didn't look, I have not cut my hair off. I have a ponytail today. So anyway, lots of people ask for Brahmin collection reviews. And I do have a small Brahmin collection. I remember once I showed it a couple years ago and someone said, "You call that a collection?" That's not a collection. Well, it's what I have. I have a few pieces. And so we're going to start off this part of the video, because it will have to be in parts, because I do have enough pieces that it will have to be in parts. With this particular Brahmin, which I have not opened yet. This is, I believe, called a Duxbury satchel. Does it say on here? It will. Sure it will. And I've got to decide if I want to keep it. I want y'all's thoughts. Duxbury's are larger purses. I do have another one, and it's in, I think it's called chestnut or pecan. I can't remember. It's the darker brown. It doesn't have such a red undertone as one of them. I don't know which one it is. Okay, so I'm taking the plastic off. These are just protective pieces. Okay, it says it right here. Normally these are $295. I got mine on sale. This is a large Duxbury satchel in lazuli. That's the color. Melbourne genuine leather. And here it comes. There it is. What do y'all think? Wow, that is a beautiful blue. And y'all know one of my favorite blues is lapis lazuli. It's a very similar color to what I put on my fingernails. I love blues for fingernail polish. And this shade, it has an undertone of purple. A royal blue purple. Or a violet blue. And then you'll notice that this has got a kind of goldish, is it gold or copper? It's gold. Very, very clearly gold, actually. Paint that's coming under it, or either it must be dusted over the top of it. I don't know which way they do it. It is in printed alligator. I still believe it's illegal to have actual alligator. I don't know the laws. But I'm putting it next to my face now so you can see the size. So it's a good size as far as width. It's perfect for me. As far as height, it's a little deep for me. That's the only thing about it. It has a place on the back for your cell phone, and they need to get with it because cell phones aren't that teeny anymore. They're wider. I don't know. We'll see. I don't have mine handy, but we'll see. I'm thinking I'm going to keep it, y'all, because I'm taking the paper off. Here goes nothing. Yep, I like it. I think this would be pretty with a pair of blue jeans, but it'd be really gorgeous with black and white. It'd be gorgeous with red. If you had a red outfit and wore this blue, oh my gosh, that would be lovely. It'd be very pretty with cream, black, shades of brown. I would say darker shades of brown. If I can get this off. I just want you to be able to see the handles. And then also they always have their bag tag. Looks like this. Some people take that off and use it as a keychain to match the purse. Some people will get matching wallets. I did an all matching video one time on the other Duxbury satchel that I have, and I got the matching cosmetic pouch, a notebook with that in it. It has its strap, which is very adjustable. I love that about it. I don't know if you can see that. Very adjustable. And I'm looking to see, do they stamp their name on it? They do not. Which I'm surprised then that they don't have it tagged to the purse so somebody can't take it. Because a lot of times you'll see that. You'll see, oh, and here's the, this is how they do the keychain now. Just, you hook your keys inside it. Actually, I think they've always done that, come to think of it. But And I've bought the keychains separate before. They should have down in here a Brahmin. My goodness. They should have down here. Remember, when you get these things, open them over a toilet and get rid of them. Because if your child gets that in their mouth, or a dog gets this in their mouth, what that does is dry them up and it'll kill them. And it's very cruel, so don't do that. Don't allow that to happen. Okay, a lot of shaping pieces. So inside, it has that wonderful, what is this called? Not cashmere. It feels like a velvet. I can't think of the name of it, y'all. It's like a cashmere. What's it called? I can't think of the name of it. It's a material name. Comment below if you know the material name. I cannot think of it for the life of me. But that's where I'll put my cell phone likely. I'll probably stick my car keys down in there because I just have the key fob. And I do like to have that on the outside. It says down in the bottom, it's got Brahmin.com. That's interesting. It's got 2 places for pins. Can y'all see that? 2 little pin thingies. 2 nice sized pockets. Some people use it for cell phone. Used to be, a lot of people use them for sunglasses. People still do. I'm sorry. And then it has a large zipper. And it's just very, very deep, as you can see. Very beautiful bag. There's the front. And there's the back with the, or you could, I think this is the back. Yeah. I don't think my cell phone's going to fit in there. I think it's not wide enough. Again, let me pull this up so you can see how pretty the print is on it. I'll pull it back so you can see the whole purse. It also does have on the bottom the feet, which I love. That sound when I put my purse down. It just sounds fancy. Who cares, right? Where is my... Okay, where did I just do with the scissors? There they are. So it does come with the dust bag, and y'all know what I do is I take the dust bag to keep this shape of the purse, because I have a china cabinet that I put all my nice handbags in so they don't get dusty, but I can see them, because I used to have enough purses that when I would put them in my closet, the top of my closet in the dust bags, I couldn't tell what was what because I had too many. And that should have been a sign right there. Alright, so that's what I'm going to stuff in it. I'm not going to use these hard pieces. They'll go in the trash. But I will do that. Now, if I ever take it out for any reason or travel with or whatever, then I would put it inside the purse, inside the dust bag. But what I'll do is I'll fold that over and stick that down in it. Like put it in it like this. So it will have stuffing when I close it. So what do y'all think? It's pretty. Does the zipper pull have any thing on it? It's just the piece of the leather. It's a piece of the leather. And this one, I believe the one that closes the top is the same. No, it is gold or brass, I should say, and it does have the little metal cover that keeps it from getting, you know, scratched up. And sometimes those are on there so strong, if you don't take them off just right, that if you use scissors to try to take it off, you scratch them with the scissors. So you got to be careful. I'm going to have to take it off with the scissors. So turn the scissor blade to the side like that, so that as it goes down, you do not scratch the actual brass. Oh my gosh, this is hard to get off. So funny, sometimes they put these things on and they make it such a pain just to get the purse going. And I'm just going to take this off too. That is the tag. I will tell you, I keep that. And what I do, just in case I ever want to resell it, as soon as I get that, I cut it off, leaving the tag and everything, the little string and everything, and I'll push that way down. And I will also keep the piece that comes with it that tells you about the care. And I just use that to kind of keep the shape of that pocket, but I keep it in the zipper pocket. And that way, if you ever want to go out on Tradesy or The Real or My Teresa or I don't know, Poshmark or all those places where you can resell, which I think is a great idea. It gives people a chance to buy something. That's where I've gotten a lot of my pieces, to buy something they could not otherwise afford because it's not brand new, but at least they got one. And a lot of times people take really good care of their stuff. And so when you get it, it's good as new anyway. That's where I got my eye care, a Louis Vuitton briefcase. I couldn't have afforded that one without doing it that way. And when I got that thing, there was not one scratch on that thing. The vachetta leather had not patinaed, so there was no reason why I shouldn't have bought it. I think I did get that one from The Real. And I got my Chanel from, my big jumbo Chanel from What Goes Around Comes Around. And that's another one. It said new with tags. And at least it wasn't the price of being brand new, because someone had pre-purchased it and they did not have the box. They had the bag. They had the original receipt where they got it. I think they got it in Las Vegas or something, which made me wonder, is this fake? But I believe that those services that I use authenticate their stuff. So I feel good about it. But anyway, so that's this bag. And I like it enough that I just took everything off. I'm going to keep this one. I think that is a beautiful bag. For this time of year, wintry blue, that would be perfect. And it would go into spring. It's kind of dark for summer, but because of the metallic, I would even use it in summer and fall. This is a year-round bag. This would look great with orange. I mean, like if you had an orange outfit or a rust-colored outfit, people like orange. It's like, yeah, I'd wear orange. Shoot, yeah, I'd wear orange. What are you talking about? I wear orange. I can't figure out. Okay. It's a little stiff right now, but that will change. So what do y'all think? Comment below. And this will be the first of my Brahmin collection. And this will also be an unboxing, obviously. But I will continue in the next video to show you. It may take a video or two just because of, going through the details of the bags. But I do have a small collection of Brahmins. And I'll show y'all my first Brahmin that I ever got was from my husband. And that was my first fine luxury handbag. I don't know, I had Coaches before that, but Brahmins are a different story. They feel delicate, and I feel the need to be careful with them. But I'm careful with all my bags, so I just throw them over my shoulder and go. So I'll always remember, hook up the shoulder strap to only the place where it gives you. If it doesn't have this built onto it, it wasn't meant to have shoulder strap. All right, y'all. I'll talk to you again soon.